Hi, thanks for stopping by and seeing what I'm up to today. One, this is some crazy crap I just found. And before I get started, I want to. I'm blown away. I'll show you this first because I can't even talk about anything before this. Look at this. I'm shopping for items. Corona's but testing kit. $11.99. There's testing kits. I don't think that this is real. Um, I mean, I know the store is real, but I really don't. And it says watch on YouTube. That's like crazy. How can they have testing kits, but they can't test people? I don't get that. Look at the face masks. If you are a member, not a member, but if you've looked at my videos, you will know where I am at. I shop wholesale because I have a license and stuff. But they have all the COVID medical masks and things. So those that are not up right in front there at the top, I'll circle it with my little arrow. They have their website, and anybody can order. You do not need to have a license. And there's a whole list of places. And check out my videos. It's wholesale.com though. I'm just blown away. I had to show you guys that there it says coronavirus testing kit. I'm just stuck on stupid. So, like and subscribe. I thought I'd share that little tidbit. I thought it was crazy. Um, I have been trying to make videos when I go out now, kind of like um, get to know me on my rides. It's kind of like riding around with somebody in my car. It's kind of cool. Um, I just want to make sure the videos coincide really well and it looks good. And I'm learning about doing all the editing part, and I know this video camera sucks because that's the one that's built in, and I didn't have the one that clipped on top. Anywho, wanted to share it. Like and subscribe. Thank you guys again for stopping by and seeing what I'm up to today. This is Silky.